In this video, I'm going to show you how to install NaturalVision Evolved graphics mod in GTA 5. First, you want to go to Google Chrome like this, and you want to go to this website, raisedmods.com. So go to this website, and over here, you want to go to GTA 5 and go down and find NaturalVision Evolved. So once you find it, you want to download it. So click download here. And over here you want to click buy now. It's free, don't worry. So you're gonna have to just put your login stuff and just put everything, because it's actually free, so it won't charge you anything. So I'm gonna put my stuff here. Okay, so I just added my information here and click complete order. So after you go through the payment, which is for free basically, and just submit the payment, you're gonna click on the download button again, and it's gonna send you to this screen. And as you can see, you wanna select NaturalVision Evolved single player beta package. So select this one and download it. So once you download this first one, you can just leave this website and go to this one. So not this one, so go to this website, reshade.me. And here you just want to click OK. Here you want to download Reshade, so click download and download Reshade 6.7, and you can leave this one. Now you want to go to this website, scripthook.v, and go to this one and scroll down, click download, and you're gonna see the download loading. So the last website is openiv.com. Go here and click download now. So after you finish all these downloads, you can basically close this now. So you want to open the directory for GTA 5. So let's just open the directory here. Oh, not this one. Let's just go to Epic Games and manage. You should find the directory over here. So once you open it, just put this on the side like this, and you want to open downloads folder. So I have the downloads over here. Let me just put it here. Okay, let's just put it like this. Okay, and I'm just gonna show it like this. So finally you're gonna be like this. You have 4 downloads and you have your GTA 5 directory. So here you're gonna start with script hook v, open it, and then open bins. And over here you wanna select these all the way from here to here, all .dll, .asi, and DLL. So make sure you select them, copy them, and paste them inside of your directory like this. Then go back and go to the reshade. Over here you wanna, in this place, you want to browse for the GTA 5 directory, so this exact directory. So if you just copy this one, you should be good. So if you copy it and paste it here, you should be able to find it. And you want to select GTA 5 and then click next, choose DirectX 10, 11, and next. And here is just standards, and just click finish. After this, you want to go for the OpenIV setup. So click next, English, and this just gonna have to agree to these terms. And once you agree and accept to them, then I'll just click continue, and I'll click continue. It's gonna take a few seconds here, and then it's done. Now I'm gonna open the OpenIV. It should be in your desktop. Here it is. So then here you wanna go click GTA 5, and here you want to put the paths for your GTA 5, this exact same directory. So click browse and put the paths and select, and then click continue, and it should open up in a few seconds here. So once it opens, go to tools, ASI manager, and make sure you install the necessary files. For example, open this one that says openiv.asi, open camera. Make sure you install all the necessary ones, then you close this. So here you want to make sure you click edit mode and click yes, And now you're gonna go to NaturalVision, open the folder here. You're gonna see 1 and 2 and 3 parts here, so make sure you have these exact same setup here. So go to mods, and over here you want to select one of these and just drag it over here. So let me just hold on a second. Okay guys, so it was just a glitch, so I reopened the file using WinRAR and it worked. So right click and then open with, and then WinRAR archive, and this should work better than the other form. So let me open this here, and you should have part 1 and 2 and 3. So yeah, so basically you want to make sure you're in this GTA mods folder, and you want to select the first one and just drag it over, and it's gonna take a few seconds here. So after you dragged it, you should be able to see this screen. You want to click install and select mods folder, then select install. Okay, once the first one downloads and finishes, you want to select the second one, click and drag. So hold on, let me just, okay, so you want to click and drag, and you want to install the second one now. So here you want to basically go through the same process: install, mods folder, install. It's gonna take a few moments here. So the second one finished downloading. I'll click close and go for the third one now. Okay, let's go install, mods folder, and install. Okay, the last one just finished downloading. I'll close that. So now you want to go to the additional add-ons. So if you go here, you're gonna find so many add-ons. You can install whichever you like. So let's just go for, let's say, NaturalVision, for example, and I will just go and select the install folder, and just you want to click and drag the same way. So let's just select this one to remove this glitch, and here you're gonna do the same process where you just click install, and you want to select game folder and install. So after this one is done, just close it, and you want to go back here. Let's say I want to install like the Halloween one too, so I would do the same thing. I would have to go into the Halloween and just select the installation one and just drag it and drop it here. Just install mods folder and install, and once it's done, just click close. Now you want to go back here, go back all the way until you see this. Now you want to minimize the screen and go to your GTA 5 directory. So let me see if I have it here. There it is. So I'm just gonna put it here so it can be visible. Let me just try to, okay, let's just increase it like this, and you want to go to reshade shaders and just select everything here, and you want to basically copy it or just select and drag it into your GTA 5 directory like this. So once you do this, you should be mostly done with this installation, so you can basically close this and this. Just make sure you close everything here. So once you open GTA 5, make sure you disable the battle eye, so it allows you to run the game. So I'm gonna show you how to do this now. So if you're having GTA on Epic Games, then you can disable it by just clicking on these three dots, click manage, and under the launch options, make sure you enable it first and paste this where it says dash no battle eye, and this should basically disable it. So as you can see here, guys, as soon as you open GTA 5, you should be able to see a huge improvement in the graphics, but you also want to click escape and go to the settings so you can improve the settings even more. Go to graphics, and over here you want to make sure that some of these options are like set to the max. So let's see here what we can set. I think this is pretty much it. Like, I don't think you can improve this more than what it is. So let's see advanced graphics. Here you have extended, you have display. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So as you can see, if you go to the gameplay, you should see a huge like improve in the graphics. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.